Hi, welcome back to JSR DevOps with Ratna. In this session, I will show you how to installation of Sonatype Nexus on Ubuntu Linux machine by using Docker image, and also I will show you how to attach Docker volume and how to create the Docker image and how to push to the Docker image into the Nexus repository. I will show you in this session. In the web browser, this is my Google Chrome. So here I will use Docker Hub registry. You can type and hit on the button and you can get the this registry official Docker Hub repository, and you can search here Nexus 3 Nexus Nexus 3. So you will get the official website. This is Sonatype Nexus repository. You can choose and click on it. So this is the Sonatype Nexus 3 I am installing right now on Ubuntu Linux machine. If you scroll down, so first I will run this command, and after that I run this command on Ubuntu Linux machine. First I check docker ps command, there is no container, and after that I check docker ps-a, so it will show all the list of running container and stopped container. At present it does not have any running container, so I created by using docker volume create hyphen name nexus hyphen data. So this is nexus hyphen data, and I check the volume by using docker volume ls local nexus hyphen data. Then I run this command docker run hyphen d hyphen p nexus attached to the volume nexus hyphen data, and this is the path. So I attached one and Sonatype Nexus. So this is my container name. So download the Nexus repository and running the container. You can check docker ps. Now Nexus running on 8081, and I will take the public IP and run the Nexus repository. This is Nexus repository. So I created on my web browser. I take the public IP and run default port is 8081. Now we can go login. The username is admin, and I'll search for password. I copy this path. So I log in the container by using docker exec -it. I log in the container by using docker exec-it and container id /bin bash and cat, and give the path of Nexus to get the password. So it will give the password, and I copy and paste on my Nexus repository. Username is admin, password I copy and paste here, and give the new password. Yes. This is the way of installation of Nexus by using Docker container. Now we can check how to push Docker image to Nexus repository. I'll show you next video how to create Docker image and running container, and how to push Docker image to Nexus repository, and how to create user. I will show you next video. If you have any queries, please in comment section. Thanks for watching.